Hey everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video we are gonna learn how you can easily install the cTrader application on your mobile device or your tablets or even your iPads. So the process is quite easy, so let's get started. First of all, make sure that you have the Android smartphone, tablet or iPhones or iPads, and it has the operating system requirements that meets your cTrader application. Also make sure your device has enough storage space, and now open up your App Store or your Google Play Store. In the search bar, type in cTrader and search. Look for the official cTrader application from Spotware and tap on the Get or the Install button. If you are downloading the app on your iOS device for the first time, you'll need to authenticate with your Face ID, Touch ID or your Apple ID password. Right after you do that, you will be able to get the application download process started. Wait for the download process to complete, which will take several minutes depending upon your internet speed. cTrader is a trading platform app developed by Spotware, designed for mobile devices, tablets, and desktops. It allows you to trade Forex, CFDs, indices, commodities, and more through brokers that support the cTrader platform. Unlike basic trading apps, cTrader is also known for its fast execution, professional charts, and user-friendly interface, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced traders. Once the application is installed, tap on the Open button, and then you'll be able to get the app opened. Now, you can start by creating a cTrader ID or logging into your existing cTrader account. Once you have the correct credential, you will be able to get inside the app and use its key features. So there you have it. That is how you install and get started with cTrader. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video with the new tutorial on how to get started with cTrader. Stay tuned till then.